afternoon, everybody. Happens to be another one of our engines here. This has to be one of our Chevy 383 strokers, 400 horsepower edition. Again, 400 made 426. And another thing, another example I tell everybody, this is run through a full exhaust system. Got a belt on this. 426, take that off with your old headers. Most guys could sell this for 475. But again, we are the real deal, and we give you real world numbers. Again, 400 horsepower, 382 Chevy stroker. Check it out. This one happens to be going into a Corvette, so it's got a Corvette style intake on there, and it's got a tack drive distributor in here. Again, when you order a motor specifically for your car, we will build it and design it for the car, so when you get it home, not only does it run, no water leaks, no oil leaks, but it's been dialed in and will run phenomenal. Wow, having a tough time here. Will run awesome, and again, it's built the way you want it. Thank you. How's that bad boy? Fired right up nice. Idle, beautiful. 750 RPM, Matt got you set at right now. Good.